Hello dear subscribers, today I'm going to be teaching you how to cut IRO and BUBA. These are the following materials we are going to be needing for this tutorial: tape rule, a pair of scissors, tailor's chalk, long ruler, then of course 5 to 6 yards of fabric. Now I'm going to teach you how to take measurements on your client before we go into the cutting process. Now, okay, please say hi to viewers.
Hi viewers.
Now, let's assume this is our client. Okay, turn your back, please. From this center neck at the back, from the center of our neck at the back, you place your tape measure there because we are going to measure half of the back. Place your tape there. Take it to our shoulder. From our shoulder, the tape measure is still there, it's still at the center back. From the shoulder, go down about 5 inches from the shoulder. That is where our sleeve joining for the buba will be. So from that place, take your measuring tape to this place and measure the sleeve length. The sleeve measures 18 inches, so the sleeve is going to be 18 inches. That is how to measure your client for buba. So now, the half of the back measurement that we took, which was 12 inches on our clients, you are going to multiply the 12 by 4. When you multiply 12 by 4, the value you get is going to be the circumference or the width of your buba measurement. Now, going to the length measurement. If you want to measure the length of your client's buba, simply place your measuring tape at the nape of the neck like this. Take it all the way down to our desired length. In this case, we are using 24 for our desired length. You may ask your client, is this okay, ma?
Yes, it's okay.
All right, she said it's okay, so we are going to use 24 for our desired length measurement. Okay, now on the alternative, if your client is not present for you to measure her, simply grab a buba. If you have an old buba, just grab it, fold it into 2 like this. You know this is buba. Fold it into 2 like this. Then at the center front like this, simply place your measurements, your tape rule at the center front like this and measure it. In this case, I have 11.5. This is 11.5, which means 11.5 is the half of the back measurement of my clients. So this is 11.5. That 11.5, you simply add 1 inch to it as seam allowance. That is how you go about that when your client is not available to be measured. Then you equally do like that for our sleeve. From this point, measure our sleeve length. In this case, it is 16.5. Add ½ inch to it to attach it to the bodies of the buba to give us, it will give us 17 inches. So now let's go